So here today we are going to make the ultimate smash burger. First, let's take one tomato and slice it thinly. Next, moving on to the onion bit, I'm going to cut it into thin slices. Here we won't be needing that many vegetables in our smash burger, but I'll still be using around 1 cup of chopped iceberg lettuce. And the ingredients here will make around 4 burgers. So now we move on to adding salt and pepper to our ground beef. So here we are, few pinches of salt and pepper, and that's about it. All the spices are there, so I'm just going to give it a good mix. I'm going to turn the flame on. Here we are, all ready, and I'm going to put the pan on the flame. So I guess the pan is hot enough, so I'm going to toasty toast the burger buns. Just keep them on the pan for a little while. Give it a twist like that, and once they are all good toasted, I'm just going to remove these. I'm going to add the oil. Not too much is needed, so this should be enough, and spread it all over the pan. So here I'm going to put the big blob of beef on the pan, and here this sizzle, smash it. And here I am going to add some onion slices on both our burger patties. Here. And I'm going to cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. The onions are getting cooked as well. So one side is done, I'm going to flip it over. And look at this chocolate brown color on our patties. So the reason why I have put the onions on the bottom part now is that they get caramelized. All golden brown and caramelized, and they have started to cook, as I can see from here. Hopefully you're able to see that as well. So what I'm going to do next is that I am going to add the cheese slices. So what next I'm going to do is just remove them from the pan. So imagine that this is your canvas, the bottom part of the bun. What I'm going to do here is I'm putting some mustard sauce here on the bottom part, and on the top part I'm going to put mayonnaise. It's up to you if you like ketchup or any other sauce that you like that you want to be added to your ultimate smash burger. You can add that, but for now I'm just using these two. And then I'm placing some iceberg lettuce on the bottom part, a couple of slices of tomatoes, and a few slices of onions. Now what am I going to put on the top? So the best part now is our burger patty. So here it is, all covered in cheese. Here it comes. So let's just crown it with the top part of the bun. So here it is ready, our ultimate smash burger.
Very tasty.